Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this magnetic phone charger cable from GARAS. It's a 3-in-1 nylon braided USB fast charging and data syncing cord with an LED light, compatible with micro USB, Type C USB and iPhone. So here's the thing. Some more explanation and features. Here we have the specs. Hope you can see that. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. It's my first magnetic charger, so I'm really interested to see how this works. I take it out of the box now. So here we have the cable. It's definitely braided. It seems to be really sturdy and strong, no problem with that. And as you can see, these tips are definitely magnetic. They are super strong, no doubt about that. Have you seen that? So the first tip, that's crazy. Can you see that? I just have to come to about 2 or 3 inches and it automatically snaps into the cable. I haven't seen that. That's amazing. Let's try to do that as well with the other ones. But I guess, watch this. That's incredible. I've never seen something like that. That is really super strong magnetic power. Absolutely no problem with that. So yeah, it's definitely secured, no problem with that. And it looks like by the design of the tip, it doesn't matter how you rotate it. You can rotate it by 360 degrees and you will still have data and charging power. So here the other thing. So here we have all these 3 tips, and I guess to just take them with you and not to lose them, you just come close and pick them up and you have all of them with you, and yeah, you can't lose them. It's almost impossible to lose them, and you can easily switch them out based on your needs. So I'm now going to do a quick test, at least with 2 of the devices. I don't have an iDevice, but I have USB-C and micro USB. So the test is a little bit a weird setup. Of course, I'm charging a charger with a charger, but yeah, it looks like we have definitely power, and when we rotate this adapter we can see there's a blue light. When we take it out, we still can see that it is powered, but it's not charging, and when we attach it we can see it's starting to charge immediately. So let's switch to the next device. So we are also ready for this test. As you can see, we have power, and let's just plug it in. That's USB-C, and immediately it starts charging. What I noticed, what is really great about this thing, you don't have to remove the plug. Actually, you can just take away this adapter, and I mean, if it's your device, yeah, just leave it in. I mean, why not? So you don't have to always change the plugs. So maybe you can even buy a couple of these sets and equip all your devices with the respective adapter, and then just take the cable with you and then charge it immediately. So we are out of power here. It's not a problem with the cable. When I talk too long, then of course we don't have power from the charger anymore. Apart from that, it will automatically charge again when we connect it with the magnet. So yeah, it's as easy as it gets. I can't find any disadvantage, so it's something which I have been looking for a long time, and I can highly recommend that. So I'll put down the link to buy that on Amazon into the description, so you'll find it down there. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.